This one's not quite an unboxing because they only came in a Ziploc, so I took them out. But what we have here is another Amazon item. It's an Anphsin, Anphsin, Anphsin 6-pack canvas tool bag, heavy duty, 16 ounce canvas, blah 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 blah. But they're little 16 ounce bags. Nice little zipper on them. Easy to open. Actually, decent sewn. Here's the little company name. But decent. They're 19 bucks for 6 of them. Oh, let's see if I can get this to zip. I might be. Oh no, zips. Different colors. I got them to keep all the little extra parts in the Toyota together. Zillion uses. You know, like nuts and bolts, front end parts, electrical bag, recovery tools, etc. So many uses for the darn things. But 6, they're really decent. They're decently thick. You know, it's 19 bucks for 6 of them. They're different colors. You know, it's not the best thing in the world. But for the money, it's not bad at all. It's a lot better than Ziploc bags like I end up using, and they dissolve after a year. So I'll put a link at the bottom. Just a quick overview of them if you should ever need them. That they're not bad at all. If anything goes really awry with them, I will make another post and let you know. Bye.